Hello, and welcome back to our channel for an exhilarating exploration of cutting-edge automotive technology. Today, we're thrilled to unpack and delve into the unparalleled features of the EUKI D900 Dashcam, a sophisticated dual-channel system designed to redefine your driving experience. So, let's get started. Upon delving into the package, the initial discoveries include the user manual, usage instructions, warranty card, and additional guidance. But closer examination reveals more treasures within. So let's take a deep look. This is the power cable, designed to seamlessly plug into the car's charger lighter, caught my eye first. Moving further, attention turns to the rear camera, intricately connected to the primary camera, enabling recording in both directions. Accompanying these is a set of cable clips and adhesive tape for securing the cameras in place, and car wire trim tool. Now, let's focus on the centerpiece, the EUKI Dashcam D900, a powerhouse capable of recording in an astounding 5K resolution. Despite its remarkable capabilities, it maintains a compact form that doesn't occupy much space. Noteworthy features include the Type-C charger connector and AV-IN connector on one side, and on the other, a TF/SD card slot. The package includes a generous 64GB SD card, and the camera supports up to an impressive 512GB SD card. Let's not overlook the 1.47-inch display screen, compact yet powerful. This mini dashcam keeps you informed with real-time updates on the device's status, storage, and connectivity. Among its other functions, the dashcam boasts a built-in GPS, superior HDR technology, parking mode, and built-in 5G Wi-Fi. As mentioned earlier, the camera operates as a single front 5K HDR/4K 60 frames per second entity. It is equipped with a high-performance Sony sensor, f1.8 large aperture, and a 6-glass lens, delivering professional-grade 5K 60 FPS/4K 30 frames per second videos, a remarkable 4 times the resolution of traditional 1080p dash cameras. Furthermore, the dual recording feature captures views at 170 degrees and 150 degrees ultra-wide angles, respectively, ensuring every detail is preserved during your journey on the road. Without further ado, let's transition from theory to practice and witness the dashcam in action. To begin, let's connect it to your smartphone and explore its functionalities. Start by scanning the barcode provided in the user manual to download the Jarvis app effortlessly onto your device. Once downloaded and installed, you're ready to establish a seamless connection between the dashcam and your smart device. Let's get our camera synced with the smartphone. Open up the Jarvis Cam app and tap on Add a Camera. Then in the next step you'll see the instructions on how to install and connect it. Just tap Next. Once the Wi-Fi networks appear, find the camera's network and tap to connect. If a password is prompted, it's usually 1 to 8, enter it and click Connect. In no time, your camera will link up with your smartphone and appear on the screen. Also, from your phone, you can dive into the Jarvis Cam app settings. There, you can tweak camera resolution, explore updates, and so much more. But now, let's go to the car and see how it all looks in action. Let's kick off the installation process with the front camera. Optimal recording is key, and I found a sweet spot that won't be a visual distraction during our drives. Using the adhesive, press the camera into place, and voila, it's securely attached. Moving on to the power supply, fire up your car's cigarette lighter, and then plug it into the camera to power it up. Now, onto the rear camera. Connect it to the AV-IN input just below the USB-C port on the main camera. Once powered up, find the optimal spot on your rear window, stick it on. However, once the cameras are in place, they'll pop up on the camera display, and you can also catch a live view in the Jarvis Cam app. So, no more delay, let's dive straight into the camera to witness its performance. Ready to explore? Let's roll! In conclusion, the EUKI D900 Dual-Channel Dashcam offers impressive features with its 5K/4K 60 frames per second recording capabilities, ensuring clear and detailed footage of your journeys. Its easy installation, superior night vision, and built-in GPS make it a reliable choice for enhancing road safety and capturing important moments on the go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.